This is my 2004 WRX. It currently doesn't run. Might have spun a bearing. In the meantime, this has been the daily driver. 1990 Mazda Miata. See some rallycross here and there. A couple SCCA events. It's not the prettiest thing in the world. No sound system. Burned some oil. Got an aftermarket hardtop. Some NB wheels. Yellow stuff pads. A little bit of Michigan cancer. But it gets the job done. All in all, the car makes a glorious daily driver, but it's not my car, it's my friend's car. And the WRX is taking longer to get back together than anticipated, so figured I should go and buy something else. We have a lot of Japanese cars here. 2002 WRX, 2008 Toyota FJ Cruiser, another 2002 WRX, my 2004 WRX, and a 2006 Mitsubishi Evo 9 that was wrecked. But it's being rebuilt, and it's glorious. So I went and picked up something a little bit different. This is my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. This is the 3.8 R-Spec. R-Spec gives you a little bit of track-focused goodies, 4-piston Brembo brakes front and rear, and a Torsen LSD. This car currently does have an exhaust on it, and it does have a aftermarket tune on it. And we're basically going to take it to track, take it to some autocrosses, feel the car out, see how it does, and start turning it to a more of a daily driver, weekend warrior type car. So, feel free to join me for the journey. Let's get started.